Hi.
Hi. Where are we going?
To a park?
Yes, we're going to the park to have some fun. Why don't you come with us? Come on. We made it. Welcome to our neighborhood park. This park has a biking trail. You can ride your bike around the neighborhood or just around the park. This park also has a soccer field. It's a really big one. You can have fun kicking around. Whoa, I think he's ready to go. What else does it have? Well, this one has a splash pad right over here and a playground. Check out our neighborhood playground. So this one has two play sets, one for big kids and one for younger kids. So this play set is for younger kids, and the one behind me on this side is for older kids. This younger kids play set tends to have smaller climbing areas, so a small rock climbing wall and a smaller slide. It even has slides for two kids to go down at the same time. On this side, we have the one for bigger kids. Okay, now we have the big kid slide. Let's go! Woohoo! That's a rough slide. Let's see what else we have at the park. Come on. And let's see what the glider looks like. Let's go play on the glider. Yeah, it's like a big boat. Next, we have a rock climbing wall. How high can you climb? Hold on tightly to the rocks. We also have another rock climbing wall for bigger kids. All right, well done. So we have monkey bars. Have a park bench where you can sit and watch the kids as they play. So, did you have fun at the park?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's wave goodbye. Thanks for coming with us. Bye.
Bye.